Well, today is a very unexceptional day. We are at the festival of Unexceptional today, lads, and I thought we'd have a gander at some of the vehicles that are on show. This will probably be a two-part video. So we'll have a gander through these, and then we'll go to the ones that are on the Concourse de Ordinero, however you bloody say it. So yeah. It's very clean, this. Very clean indeed. Now, I didn't do a video of the one of the Gaydon, you know, so I kind of regretted that. However, we are doing this one just to make up for it. We've got a lovely coupe here. Look at that, it's lovely. And we've got this little Ford Orion, very nice. BMW, Austin Maxi. There's a very good selection of cars here today. Very good selection. You've got Fords, you've got all sorts. Citroens, Audi, Bond Bugs, you name it, it'll probably be here. It's a very nice Roverjoe. Look at this, 504. And if there's any wind noise, I do apologise. I know the weather wasn't meant to be amazing today. Luckily it isn't raining. That's the main thing. Because it was forecast to absolutely throw it down, however, it's kind of held off. It's got a Yugo. Is it a Yugo? I think it is. It is. Is that a Spas Mark 1? I think it is. Let's have a look. It is some sort of Espas. I don't know if it's a Mark 1 or I think it might be a Mark 1. Not too good, to be honest. Hillman Avenger, very nice. Beetle, Skoda. Is that a Favourite? It is. Ooh, it's a black line as well. Very nice. Look at this. Ah, yes. It's very windy, I do apologise, but that's how it is on here. But yeah, very nice black line Favourite there. Citroen. No, I just love the back end of these. These are brilliant. Just look at this. It's just amazing. You didn't really see any of this anywhere else in other cars. A lot of Citroens had very interesting styling. Turbo, it's a 480 turbo, yeah, very nice. I always like these. You may be thinking, actually, this is something that I was quite interested in, actually. You know how you don't have a Volvo grille on the front, however it's underneath instead.
No, you should look inside that Citroen sheet for the front of the dashboard. Find the Citroen.
Fuel Defender, Dutton. Never heard of that. Ooh, Maestro, MG Maestro. Very nice. Lovely vehicle indeed. Onto a Rover 400. Very clean. It's a HHR as well, this. Very clean indeed. Wonderful car. Shared with the Honda Civic of the era. SD1. Austin Metro. Another Citroen TR7. Ooh. Nissan Micra. I saw one of these actually quite recently on the road. It's an N-Reg, proper poverty spec as well. Very cool. It's Rolls, Bentley. No, is it? Don't know. It's very exceptional. Renault 205, look at that, it's very nice. Peugeot, Mazda, BMW, Humber, BMW, very nice. Triumph Spitfire.
Yeah, they are little, aren't they?
There's a lot more cars along this side as well. It goes very far back. Let's wait for this bloke to come past. Right, so on to the second section. Starting off with a Honda in a very nice green colour. Rover, Vauxhall Nova. What is this? I'm not too sure what this is. Let me have a gander. It's a Mazda. Ah, that's what it is. I couldn't tell what the badge was on the front. Yes, it's different. 600. Very nice. Another Citroen. Alfa Romeo. Very nice. Oh, I like this. I like this. It's a Renault, but I just like the boxy style it is. But it's for sale as well. Here, lads. There you go. If you want a Renault 9, get yourselves in on that. Volvo Fiesta. Ryan. TR6, Saab 900, Renault 19. Skoda, Toyota. We have a BMW. Fiat.
And we had it for a week. It was shit. Everything about it was shit.
MGF in amaranth purple, next to a nice Range Rover. There we are. What do we have up here? Another Land Rover, Saab, a Renault. I like that. It's nice. Lotus, Porsche. Ooh. It's a Scimitar. Very nice. Austin Montego. Now I like these a lot. I mean, I wouldn't choose the rims, but it's very nice, nonetheless. There's hundreds of cars, absolutely hundreds. I don't know if we'll be able to get round them all. Absolutely tons of them. BRM. If we can't go through all of these, we'll have to try and focus on more interesting bits. However, all of it is interesting, so it's kind of hard to do so. Triumph for Clint. Very nice. Vauxhall.
Yeah.
Morris Marina TC, twin cab, nice. I had a bit of an issue with my car, well, put it this way. We were up at 6 AM trying to fit a cam belt to the engine at 6 o'clock in the morning, so that was very fun. Very nice Citroen, Skoda.
But the guy brought it off, had a whole set of seats, and then genuinely.
Let's have a look down here. We've got a 216 SLI, so this will be the Honda engine, unlike mine, which has the Rover K series, which people don't particularly like due to reasons. But it's not a bad engine if looked after. Astra. Oh, look at this, it's a Panda. These are very square. Look at that. Very cool stuff. Another Micra. Similar to the one I saw the other day actually. However, it didn't have alloys on. It just had hubcaps. It wasn't even a hub. It was literally just covered the bolts, the nuts. It's a very big venue. Absolutely huge. We'll just keep going and going. I'll have to see how my battery does. You watch, it'll just die on me, knowing my luck. Got a few cars down there. We've got a Rover 400, Citroen, Steph's Triumph there as well actually. Nice Escort here, next to an 800, next to a 100 and next to a 400. There we go, a bit of Rover there for you. Very cool stuff. Ooh, Maestro van. Now, I wouldn't mind actually getting one of these and doing something like sticking maybe the Austin Rover logo along here or something. I think that'd work very nice on these. The Jag. Volvo. A few more. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yes, I can imagine, yeah.
An Ambassador. Very nice, you don't see many of that. A Suzuki. Oh, what are these called again? Oh. I forgot what they're called. Don't have any badges on either at the back, so I can't tell. Someone in the comments will tell me what it is. Rover P5 Coupe next to a chocolate brown Allegro. Depending on who you are, you might want to call it poo brown. I don't bloody know, but yeah, it's brown. Alfa Romeo. I do like these. These are nice. There's a lot of cars that are nice, to be honest. Land Rover. Hyundai. Is this? Ooh, look at that beige interior. It's a pony. Yes, that was it. It's a pony. Citroen BX. Ford Mondeo. Rover 45. On a Y-Reg. Nice and early one. Oh yeah, look at that. Lovely. Lovely colour as well. I think it's the same colour as my 25 actually, but not too sure. I have to have a gander when I get home. CDX, Copley Fred. I know too much stuff. Bit worrying really. 2CV. Honda Civic. It's a shuttle. There's some other stuff over there. It's more modern. Let's have a gander over here.
It's £1,000. No, it's £1,000. It's 1 zillion, trillion, bazillion.
Renault Twingo Mark 1. There we go. Next to a VW camper van and a few other stuff. So yeah, I think that covers part 1. What we'll do, we'll split it into 3, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I don't want to have too long of videos because my computer is a bit pants, so yeah, when it comes to rendering stuff. So yeah, part 1, part 2 will be looking at this side, and then part 3 will be in the actual gates of the more concourse stuff. So yeah, cheers for watching part 1. I'll see you in a bit.